everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a bow napkin. Very, very simple, using an 18-inch black napkin and a simple but elegant napkin ring. I got these from Amazon, by the way, and you can get them there as well. Just check out black napkins and pearl napkin rings and they should come up for you. So I'm just going to tilt my camera to show you how to do this. So here we go. So you're just going to take your napkin, you're going to fold it in half diagonally and start folding from the very tip away from you and just roll it away. When you get to the end, you want to leave a little space at the back there. Flip it around, upside down, flip it around, and then you're just going to take that and you're going to fold it like that. And then push that towards you. And then you take your napkin ring and you're going to slide it over the top of the little tail and over the top of the front. This is the back view right now. You're going to pull those tails a little bit tighter. And you can see in the front, kind of it starting to take shape. So I like to just pull this down a little bit to give it a little extra, like a double line almost. So you can see that there. And then you just kind of shape it, shape the bottom there. Fluff these up a little bit. And there you go. You've got a black napkin bow. So thanks for watching. That's what the back looks like. And that is the front. And I'll include a couple of photos here at the end so that you could actually see what they look like dressed up. I also did a little very simple one in a different material. This is a smaller napkin, more like a cocktail napkin size. Just using different napkin rings and putting them on different place settings can be a game changer. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this. Give it a like if you did. Bye for now.